Hello, welcome to the channel and welcome back to Resurwreck Autos HQ. Guys, it is Saturday morning, so that means a little bonus video for you guys to watch. I've got a product to show you today, and that is a dash cam. We're going to have a look at it, see what it's all about. It's pretty small and it's very, very cheap. This dash cam is $39.99 on Amazon. I will definitely be putting a link in the description below so you guys can click on that and go ahead and get yourself one. It's really, really cheap, guys, but $39.99 for a little dash cam is pretty cool, and it does quite a lot of stuff. We're going to find out exactly what comes in the box and what it will do. It is a smart little Wi-Fi dash cam as well, so I believe it connects to your phone, but we're going to find out and see how it goes. So let's get it unboxed, let's see what's in there, and go from there. Let's do this. So guys, let's see exactly what this can do. Little dash cam, Wi-Fi dash cam. I think it links to your phone. So we're going to see exactly what it can do. I've not opened this yet. Don't know what it can do. I've not looked into it, so we're just going to do it all blind and sort of see how we go. Looks like it's manufactured in the UK, or it's distributed in the UK anyway, distributed. No, it's manufacture. Yeah, I don't know actually. Anyway, I'm reading it as I'm showing you. Let's see what we get in the box. Drop in the instructions manual. So yeah, we'll get into this and see how you do it and stuff. I think you get a memory card as well, so included in the pack. Looks like you get a memory card in there, so you ain't got to worry about buying a memory card, which is unusual really. Normally when you get these dash cams, you have to buy a memory card. Let's have a look. At the dash cam itself. Quite a nice little, yeah, it is quite nice actually. Obviously just peel that off and stick it to your windscreen. You got the camera there. It's got some sort of protector over it as well, so yeah, that's got a little thing over that, so we'll have that off when we set it up. You've got one here as well, peeled off from the screen, and we'll see exactly what it does. Let's just take that off, and then we'll see exactly. It's got a little, it looks like it's got a little screen here. Yeah, cute little thing. So that's that. Let's see what else comes in the pack, in the box. So you've got your cables. This would be your power cable. That'll go to your 12 volt or your cigarette lighter to power the dash cam. And then it comes with a few bits and pieces. Have a look. It's got a trim removal tool. So that's always handy to have. Do you know what I mean? So they've thought about what you've got to do to take trims off and stuff. They've gave you the tool to do that. So that's good. And like I said, it come with the memory card, which is cool. Free memory card. What is that? 32, 36, 32. SD card. So that's good. What are these little things? Looks like they're little tags, hangers for the wires, I suppose. If you can't pull the wire out, if you can't take the trims off the inside of the cars, you can always just tap these to the side of the plastic, and it will hold it in place. Probably that's what that is for. That looks like a spare. That's a spare for this. Yeah, that's a spare one. So Looks like you can use it on, you know, if you don't use it on one, you can use it on the other. It's a spare one. Obviously got in here. It looks like just a support thing. Go to the app. Oh, you got an app. You got to go download an app. So yeah, a cloth, and I'm not sure what these are for. So they're bigger than the size of the actual dash cam itself. We'll find out what these are for. Not quite sure what they're for. Bit weird, but maybe, I don't know, put on the glass first, then put the dash cam over it. I don't know really. Is that the size of that? That's bigger. That's not for that. But yeah, you know, you've got a clean cloth as well, in case you want to clean the dash cam every now and then. So, not bad, really, considering $39.99, and you get, you know, a nice dash cam to fit to your car, your van, or wherever you want to. Because obviously this is always going to be relevant to what we do. Like we repair crashed cars, and you know, so this is partly of that, where it shows you and you can you know, prove who was in the right and wrong in an accident, or you know, anything like that. So these are very, very popular now, these dash cams, and they're all over the place. But I think for $39.99 it's a pretty decent one for that. So let's now go to a car. And we're going to wire it all up, and then we're going to and then fire this up and see exactly the condition of it, and you know, of the picture, and we'll go from there, and yeah, see how it goes. So let's do this. Right, okay, guys, we are in a Vauxhall Corsa that we're working on at the minute. I thought I'll just show it in this one. This one has actually got an old one fitted there. I've got to actually get that removed, and that is another dash cam that someone had fitted. So yeah, I've got to get that off because that's stuck on. But I think, you know, this is quite a nice little discreet little dash cam, because that can actually go behind the mirror like that old one was there, and then when you're driving you can't even see it. It's just up there. It's just doing its job, and that is to record your driving, basically. So yeah, so you just basically plug it into the 12-volt cigarette lighter there, and then you'd probably run it that way, underneath trims, underneath there, round the back of the glove box, run it down there, behind there, and then behind this trim all the way up here. And then behind here, all the way, just tuck it away, just get it rid of it, and then you ain't got to worry about it, and it's just disappeared. So, but that's good, because obviously you get that's what I was telling you about the trim. So this trim actually will pull off this trim here. You can remove that there and pull off any other trims as well. I found out what those plastic things are for. Do you know, I showed you earlier these. So they're static stickers. And I think it's because, like, obviously putting them on, get rid of all the static stuff, and then that's what they're for. So yeah, so now what you do is you'd obviously plug the power into the power there, so it fires up.
Please insert a memory card.
So it actually does tell me to insert the memory card, which you get in the pack. So you'd have to take this memory card out of here, insert that into there, and then once you've run the wires and set that up there like that, so it's out of the way, it's actually quite a good camera. I'm trying to show you because I've got this bloody light on my phone. But that is actually quite a good camera. good thing about these dash cams as well, they're quite wide and they pick up quite a lot. So once it's connected up there like that, and you're driving, you set it up, it actually, the actual camera is quite wide and it picks up everything from as far as that pillar, as both pillars on the car, which is really, really good. Most dash cams will do that. But the good thing about this one is that it's all app controlled. So you go to the app, in the instructions, it tells you exactly what to do. Again, look, memory card, in we go. And then you just sort of go through the setup, which is there. This is what we're doing here. Look, we're setting out, putting the wires around to where the dash cam will sit. And just go through the instructions. And this is the app. This is the actual thing you scan to get the app for this. And you actually control everything from the dash cam using the app. Which is pretty good. The setup, everything, you can change different things, features in the app. And you get the, you save every time you stop and start the car. Every time you're starting the car, that's a clip. When you're driving, those clips are saved like this in the app. So if you ever need to go back to watch any videos or look at anything, you can go on your app on the phone, and it will you can see exactly which ones you need to go. So this is all app controlled, which is a pretty good thing, really. So yeah, there we go, guys. A little dash cam I just thought I'd show you today. And I'll stick a link in the description below. Grab yourself one of these cool little dash cams, $39.99, pretty cheap for what it is. I'm not getting paid to do this, guys. It's just, I'm just thought I'd show it. I'll always show things that I think's relevant to what we do. When it comes to doing, obviously, the crash repairs or any sort of repairs to the vehicles, if it's relevant, I will show you. If I think I can help and get you a nice cheap version of it. So there we go. I'm going to end the video there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, guys, in the comments there's a link, and you can grab yourself a nice dash cam. Actually, it's Christmas coming up soon as well, so it'll be a nice little Christmas present for maybe sons or daughters or wives or husbands or niece and nephews, anyone like that. Really, it'll be a nice little stocking filler. So there we go. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.